I'm just putting the finishing touches to my cake, applying some gold leaf. But that's not even what this tutorial about. It's about the texture of the cake. It looks very interesting and intriguing, doesn't it? You'll never believe how I achieved it. I used no special tools. Let me show you how you can recreate this design on your cake. So I started off with a cake that's been fully decorated and has been put in the fridge for about 20 minutes to set. So it's nice and cold. Now you want to work with buttercream that has a very soft texture, just like in the bowl here. And this is the tool I used. Yes, parchment paper. Literally, parchment paper is sometimes called baking paper. Just tear off some of them, scrunch it up to give it texture. And that is what I used to design my cake. So you dip it into your buttercream and apply it to your cake. Now you can see this is why I say that you want to use a cake that has been properly chilled so that the layer of buttercream underneath is nice and firm. And then you want to use soft buttercream and apply onto your cake until the whole cake has been covered with your textured buttercream. For the bottom, same technique, but you want to have a wad of parchment paper that is more scrunched up and just gently apply to the bottom of your cake. Now, if you want to go for an even more wow effect, you can add a double layer of texture. So once you've added the first layer, pop your cake into the fridge to set for about 20 to 30 minutes and then apply another layer of textured buttercream, either in the same color or using a different color for an even wow effect. So literally, this is what I've used to create this texture. You'll be surprised what tools you have in your kitchen that you can use to make and decorate amazing cakes. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to apply gold leaf. Gold leaf brings an extra nice, luxurious touch to your cake. This is 24 karat gold leaf. It comes in a little booklet. Do not touch it. As soon as you touch it, it will adhere to anything it touches. So apply it directly to your cake. You literally have to touch it lightly and the gold leaf will transfer. So I hope that you'll try this beautiful technique at home. Happy cake decorating!